Good evening. In this video, I will tell you about measuring volume of liquids, solids, and some numerical problems. Okay. So, what is a volume? The total space occupied by an object. It's called its volume. Okay. For example, if you fill a bucket full with water, so it occupies a definite space inside the water. Then if you fill more and more water, so a stage will come that there will be no water, there will be no space left in the bucket. And if you will fill more and more water, so the water will flow outside the bucket. So the water occupies a definite space inside the bucket, and it is its volume. To measure the volume of solids, there are some simple formulae to do. Okay, the SI unit of length is meter, so the SI unit of volume will be cubic meter, means meter into meter into meter equals to cubic meter. Like this you can write cubic meter. Okay, and this you can generally the volume of smallest solid is measured in centimeter cube. For example, like this, centimeter cube or cubic meter. And you can also write this as cc. Okay, cc. Okay, and volume of some regular solids, you can see cube is side into side into side. Okay, side into side into side. And cuboid is length into breadth into height, length into breadth into height. Okay, then we will talk about some numerical problems based on volume. Okay, so your first numerical is find the volume of a cuboid of length 5 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter, and height 4 centimeter. So as you all know that the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So what is your length? Your length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter, and height is 4 centimeter. So you will multiply these three numbers. 5 2s are 10 and 10 4s are 40. So 40 centimeter cube or 40 cubic centimeter. Okay, then second numerical is find the volume of a cuboid with each side measuring 10 centimeter. Volume of a box. So box is generally in cube shaped. So the volume of cube is side into side into side, or you can write like this also. So volume of the box will be 9 into 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81 and 81 9s are 729 cubic centimeter. Okay, this is your two numericals based on volume of cube and cuboid. Now we will talk about to measure the volume of liquids. So as you all know that liquids do not have a fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. So the maximum volume of a liquid that the container can hold is known as its capacity. Okay, capacity has the same unit as that of volume. The volume of liquid is generally measured in liters and milliliters. Okay, then the volume of liquid is usually measured by measuring cans of different shapes and sizes. Measuring cans are available in capacities ranging from 50 milliliter to 5 liter. You can see here these are conical measuring cans. You can see 50 milliliter, 200 milliliter, 500 milliliter, 1 liter. Okay, then conical measuring cans. You can see conical measuring cans are used to measure liquids such as kerosene and petrol. These measuring cans are used to measure liquids such as kerosene and petrol. Then cylindrical measuring cans are commonly used to measure milk and edible oil. that they have long handles and they're commonly used to measure milk and edible oil. Okay, then measuring cans used for commercial purposes have fixed capacities. They cannot be used to measure smaller volumes than a specified volume. For example, a milkman cannot use a 500 milliliter can to measure 200 milliliter of milk. To overcome these problems, we use measuring beakers or measuring cylinders. Okay? Then I will give you some numerical problems based on volume of liquids. How to measure the volume of liquids. Okay? Then numerical number 3. A cuboidal vessel has length 30 cm, breadth 25 cm and height 20 cm. Calculate its volume in milliliter and liter. So as you all know that I have told you that capacity has the same volume, has the same unit as that of volume. So the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So it will be same in to measure the cuboidal vessel. So the length is 30 cm, breadth 25 cm and height 20 cm. So calculate its volume in milliliter and liter. First you multiply these three numbers, you will get this answer, 15,000 centimeter cube. Then this is a formula. 1 cubic centimeter equals to 1 milliliter. This formula you have to learn. If you have to convert a thing which is written in centimeter into milliliter and liter, then you have to apply this formula. Okay, so if 1 is there and here also 1 equals to 1, so it's obvious that 15,000 is equals to 15,000 milliliter. Okay, then since 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter, so we'll divide 15,000 milliliter into equals to 15,000 by 1000 liters and we'll get the answer this. In liter it is this and in milliliter this. Okay, then it comes two vessels have length 9 centimeter and 8 centimeter. There are two vessels. Okay, breadth 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter and height 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. Which of these vessels will hold greater volume of a liquid and by how much? So there are two vessels. First vessel has length 9 centimeter, then breadth 6 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. Second vessel have length 8 centimeter, breadth 7 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. So you have to find out that which of these two vessels will hold greater volume and by how much. So vessel 1 length this much. Okay, then capacity of vessel 1, we will count the capacity of vessel 1. Length into breadth into height. This is of cuboidal vessel. You will apply here also. So when you will multiply this length, breadth and height, you will get 270 centimeter cubic centimeter. Okay. Then same you have to apply for vessel 2 also. You will write the length, breadth and height and you will multiply it. You will get the answer 560 centimeter cube. Therefore, vessel 2 will hold greater volume of a liquid than vessel 1. You can see it is 270 and it is 560. So which is greater? This. So vessel 2 will hold greater volume than vessel 1. Then it has asked and by how much? Difference also it has asked. So we'll multiply vessel 2 by vessel 1. Then you will get the answer this. Therefore, vessel 2 will hold 290 centimeter cubic centimeter more than vessel 1. Okay. Then in the next video, I will explain you about measuring the volume of an irregular solid's density and some numerical problems also. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Hope you understand everything, and if any problem is there in any topic or any numerical, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.